Mitsubishi Motors Corporation recently unveiled its latest innovation, the Mitsubishi DST Concept, at the 9th Philippine International Motor Show. This all-new midsize sport utility vehicle promises to deliver an exciting and fulfilling driving experience, designed to ignite the adventurous spirit of drivers while ensuring comfort and safety for everyone on board.
Can we just take a moment to appreciate that incredible reveal? Thank you so much for that performance. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this. Put your hands together for the all-new Mitsubishi DST Concept. Look at this beauty right here. Amazing, diba? Just look at how the vehicle looks. Very futuristic, very modern. And the best thing is, because of Mitsubishi, we are experiencing it right now. Again, palakpakan po natin ang Mitsubishi Motors, and thank you to Mitsubishi Motors Corporation for specifically choosing the Philippines for the global launch of this concept. To all our kababayan, to the Filipinos who are watching, tayo po ang pinili ng Mitsubishi Motors Corporation para sa grand reveal. This is the world premiere of the DST Concept. Palakpakan po natin ang MMC. We have been waiting for this moment for so long, and finally, it's here! So, guys, I know you guys are so excited to know more about this DST concept. Kaya na sinabi na it's dynamic. We got spacious 3-row SUV. But to tell us more about this really, really beautiful vehicle, let's give a big round of applause to Mitsubishi Motors Corporation's head of design. We give you Mr. Seiji Watanabe.
It's wonderful to be here in the Philippines. As a designer, it's a joy to see the design on your roads. I saw the lots of the Xpander and even spot the new Xforce compact SUV just released in July. For over 60 years in the Philippines, our cars have evolved with the challenging needs of your people and this dynamic nation. However, one thing will never change. It's a value we share with our Philippine customer, the importance of the family. Today, I'm very excited to tell you about our new concept car. It's of the taste, what is coming from the new and the energetic Mitsubishi Motors. And it is a look. Look at the next chapter of our design language. The elegant jasmine white exterior and the body burgundy accented interior. The sleek, robust, and proportioned. Trusted all-road and all-weather performance. It's every way, the concept was designed with a Filipino customer in mind. And especially for owners ready to upgrade to the roomy 3-row SUV. We give it plenty of Mitsubishi's all-destination DNA. It means generous road clearance and agile handling and rugged reliability. Of course, the safety and the confidence of the driving with our original driving mode, including the gravel, acclaiming the wet mode, and the new tarmac mode for the instant selection of the optimized control. The design concept for the Mitsubishi DST concept is gravitas dynamism. Gravitas is an overwhelming presence and the solidity. It's coming from the authority of the road commanding driver portion and the proportion of the upscale 3-row cabin riding a solid SUV stability and wide stance. Together, they create an ingenuous personality of the confidence poise in the class above the rest. Dynamism expresses as a design bursting with energy and motion. At the same time, dynamism is SUV toughness and strength. Its maneuverability and capability overcome the challenges of the road. You can see it, the dynamic proportion of its sleek, the strong nose, and the roomy cabin at a true SUV, not the MPV in SUV discussed. The large tires and the high ground clearance for superior approach and the departure angle and the scrapped front and the rear fender flare. Up front is our iconic dynamic seal. This front design concept stands for the performance, powerful performance and the protection. Like for the Xforce, the dynamic shield is broader and sleeker with a rich dimensionality. But here, it's evolved with the stronger horizontals. Plus, more vertical elements and the underline the wide stance and the commanding look. Our signature T-shaped day-night lamps ingeniously combine the angle form and the slit. Their position clearly indicated the width of the car to oncoming vehicle at the accents of the wide stance. At the rear, T-shaped lamps and defined its wide stance and the solid stability. From nose to tail, the cool dynamics of the design embody the performance with purpose. Mitsubishi DST Concept is timeless modernity. For example, the front grille with a specially developed transparent acrylic, the horizontal bar and carved into the glass surface of the C-pillar, front to the rear, from the ground up and the inside out, it is forever the fresh design. Gravitas and the dynamism continued inside with a roomy and class interior. The bold coordination of the burgundy and white upclass interior. The instrument panel wrapped in the soft synthetic leather and the continuity of the sculpted door panel. The bright openness of the panoramic sunroof, gravitas and the dynamism flow in the spacious cabin space. The large TFT CLD display and the cockpit is a showcase of the advanced technology. Info at the glance and the control attach. It's all safer, more intuitive driving, genuine Mitsubishi Motors experience. Mitsubishi DST Concept explore a possibility of this true SUV concept designed for our Filipino and the ASEAN customers. Feel pride, presence of the gravitas, and the excitement and the energy of its dynamism. In this next-gen design is the inspiration for all new 7-seater SUV, which is appear here in the Philippines in the Mitsubishi Motors showroom in the near future. At the Mitsubishi Motors, we are designing exciting mobility to awaken your adventurous spirits. Thank you.